This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by locking the basics. Set your camera to manual exposure and white balance so the green reads consistently. Place the subject several feet from the backdrop to prevent spill, and light the screen separately from the subject for even coverage. Once those are in place, check fabric for wrinkles and remove reflective objects that catch green. Make sure audio is captured cleanly with a close mic. That saves editing time later. Get 2 good test takes before moving into chroma keying. Once footage is imported, apply your chroma key effect and sample the mid-tone green to create the initial matte. You should then adjust similarity and tolerance while watching the alpha channel to avoid eating edges. Make sure to feather and shrink/expand the matte to preserve hair and fine details. After that, apply spill suppression to neutralize green reflections and use a garbage mat to remove stands or rigging. Finally, color match the replacement background so lighting and contrast feel natural. You finish by composing the keyed subject into the new background, matching scale, perspective, and adding a soft shadow or contact shadow to ground them. Once composed, render short tests at final resolution and frame rate to inspect motion blur and compression artifacts. If you see green fringes or semi-transparent ghosts, first tweak spill suppression and matte settings. If that fails, relight or reshoot with better separation, or apply manual roto to problem areas. Remember,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.